I pitched brands for 4 months straight, hundreds of pitches, and didn't get a single paid brand deal. Not one. And then one day a brand said yes, $150 for one video, and I remember thinking, wait, someone's gonna pay me to make content with my phone? 11 months later, I was making over $10,000 a month, and today I'm gonna show you the exact pitching system that helped me get there, and that's helped over 1,000 students start getting paid by brands. So here's exactly what I'm gonna cover today. First, the 5-part anatomy of a pitch that actually gets a response. I'm gonna break down every single line for you. Second, I'm giving you the exact email template that I give to my students word for word. You can literally copy it. Third, the numbers. How many pitches do you actually need to send? What conversions can you expect? And the realistic timeline from your first pitch to your first $2,500. And fourth, the biggest mistake that I see people make, which guarantees that they will never hear back. Let's get into it. Before I give you the framework, I need you to understand why what you're doing right now probably isn't working. Most people say something like this: hi, I'm a UGC creator. I would love to work with your brand. Here's my portfolio. Let me know if you're interested. And that email will get deleted in seconds. And here's why. It's because it's all about you. A brand doesn't care that you want to work with them. They want to know what you can do for them. The other mistake, and I made this for literally months, is pitching without a portfolio. You wouldn't apply to a job without a resume, right? Well, your portfolio is literally your resume. If a brand can't immediately see your camera presence, your lighting, your editing style, they have zero reason to respond to you. And the third mistake is passive language. I would love to, if you're ever interested, let me know if. Stop it. You are not asking for a favor. You are literally offering a service to brands that they're going to make money from. Okay, here's the framework. Every pitch that you send should have 5 parts, and I'm gonna walk you through each one. Part 1 is the personalized intro. Hi, their name, not dear brand, not to whom it may concern, their actual name. And then this is the part that nobody does. You include a specific observation that you made about the brand. Something that actually proves you looked at their content. Not I love your products, but something like, I've noticed in your recent campaigns that you've been leaning towards lifestyle content, and I think that there's a huge opportunity to add authentic creator style videos into the mix. That one line will separate you from 99% of the pitches in their inbox. Part 2 is value focused statements with proof. This is where you don't talk about yourself, but you talk about what you can do for the brand. And here's the key. Don't say something like, I create high quality content. Every UGC creator is saying that. Give them a specific example. Something like, I specialize in bold ideas for videos. I literally stomped on an iPhone for a brand once. Or if you're just starting out, let's say you're a teacher, you could say, I have a background in teaching, so I'm really great at breaking down complicated things in simple terms. Use whatever real experience you have here, even transferable skills from previous careers. Part 3, you want to make sure that you include a portfolio link. I personally use Canva to house my portfolio. It's clean, it's simple. Brands can see your content in literally 30 seconds. And if you don't have a portfolio yet, you can literally build one in a weekend with just 3 to 5 UGC examples that you throw into a Canva template. Pick 3 to 5 products around your house. You don't need any fancy equipment. Just use your phone and some natural light. Part 4 is the direct question CTA. You want to end your email with a confident, direct question, not something that's like, let me know if you want to work together, because that's just putting more work on the brand. Instead, you want to end with something like, do you have any open collaborations for UGC this month? Or something like, would you be open to testing 3 videos before we discuss a long-term collaboration? See the difference? One sounds like you're hoping, and one sounds like you're a leader taking charge. And part 5 is the tone. This is the invisible part, kind of. Your entire email should read, this is why you want to work with me, not I would love to work with you because I love your brand. You're not begging for an opportunity. You are a professional that is offering a service to a brand that is going to make them money. The confidence, even if you have to fake it a little bit at first, is going to change everything about how the brand perceives you. And believe me, when I first started, I felt like a fraud sending these messages, so I get it. I had no track record, no big brands on my roster, but I wrote every email like I belonged to be in their inbox, and eventually I did. Now, I'm not going to give you a copy and paste template because that is the fastest way to sound like every other creator in the inbox, and that's not what you want. What I teach inside UGC Mastery Academy is how to think of your pitch in the same way that you would think of a UGC video. You open with the hook, you identify the problem, you are the solution, give a couple reasons why you're the best solution, and then end with a CTA. So instead of copying someone else's words, here's the framework to build your pitch, something that sounds like you and not like everybody else. Hi, brand name. I came across your brand and immediately noticed specific observation about their marketing. I specialize in creating UGC content that actually converts. My content is built around your biggest strength, which helps brands like yours grab attention and drive results. Here's a quick look at my work with your portfolio link. Would you be open to a quick chat about how I can serve your content needs? That's it. That's the whole email. It's not long. It's not complicated. but every line does serve a purpose. Now, the follow-up, this is where most people leave money on the table. Your second and third emails will often get way more responses than your first one. Brands are busy. They miss your emails. They forget to respond. They have a lot going on. So 3 to 5 days after your first email, you just want to send a quick follow-up, just a quick nudge to see if you had a chance to consider the collaboration. I'm super interested in potentially working with brand name, and I would love to get your feedback. You want to keep it short, friendly, no pressure, but it keeps you at top of mind. And just keep in mind that I have had brands follow up 4 months after the original pitch. Yes, 4 months, simply because I stayed consistent. Quick pause. If you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, I need help actually implementing this, there's a link in the description to a free training where I personally walk you through the entire system from start to finish. I just wanted to put that out there before we get into the numbers, because the numbers are about to change how you think about this. Okay, here's the part that nobody tells you before you start, and it's the reason that most people quit. When you start out, your daily base should be about 10 to 15 pitches per day. That's a minimum. And once you've got your system down and you're using tools like Bento to help you automate your outreach, you can actually increase to like 200 pitches a week. I know that sounds like a lot, but here's the math. Let's say you send 100 pitches and you have a 1% conversion. That's conservative. It's a bit below what my students actually average, but 1% of 100 is 1 deal. So for every 100 pitches that you send, you get 3 deals, and each of those deals pays you $350. So let's say you get to a 3% conversion rate, which is totally realistic by like month 3 or 4. And if those deals pay you anywhere from $350 to $500, that's $900 to $1,500 per week from your phone. And the thing that most people don't understand is that it starts to compound. Every pitch that you send is a seed, and some of those seeds don't sprout for weeks or months, but they do sprout. But let me give you an honest timeline, because I don't want to sugarcoat this for you. Month 1 through 3, you're really casting your net. You might get some gifted collaborations or land a couple collaborations for like $100 to $200. That's normal. And that, quite honestly, is the phase that most people quit in because they expect instant money. Month 4 though, pitches really start converting. Brands that ignored you in month 1 because maybe they weren't ready, they start reaching back out. Seriously, some brands have long buying cycles. Maybe they don't need a creator this month, but they do next month. Month 6 through 12, the trickle starts turning into real freaking momentum. Previous clients are coming back for retainers or repeat deals. New brands are finding you through your portfolio, your social media, inbound start happening. And that's when you look up and you realize, oh my God, this is actually a career. I lived this exact timeline. I pitched for 4 months without landing a single paid collaboration. And then one day the $150 deal came through, and then a $300 deal, and then a $5,000 month, and then a $10,000 month, literally 12 months in. And I didn't have a program or coaches or anybody cheering me on and supporting me in that unsexy middle when I wanted to give up. Our students have all that, and that's why they get there faster than I did. I built UGC Mastery Academy because I know what it feels like to send pitch after pitch after pitch into the void and feel like nobody is listening to you. And quite frankly, I don't think anybody should ever have to figure that out alone. So if you've been watching this and something just clicked, whether you want to build this as a side hustle and earn extra money for your family, or you want to turn this into a full-time career so you never have to ask someone permission to live your life, the system is the same. There's a link in the description to a free masterclass where I walk you through step by step the exact system that my students use to start landing paid brand deals. I will walk you through it personally. This is not a pre-recorded webinar. It is a live training that I will teach you the exact system and answer your questions in real time. I'll pin it in the comments too. This is the same system that helped Alyssa, who was a stay-at-home mom that literally thought UGC was a scam when she first heard about it. She had less than 200 followers, no experience, and no confidence on camera. She sent her first pitch on June 24th, landed her first gifted collaboration a couple days later, and by September, she had contracted over $7,000 in paid deals from her phone as a first-time mom. I want you to hear her full story next, because if you're sitting here thinking, this is great, but I'm not sure if I could actually do this, Alyssa's story is proof that you can.